Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to copy and how to paste using shortcuts. But we have two methods to copy and two methods to paste. Let us start. As you see, this is our website. You can visit it. Let me try to get some word from it. Yes, we're gonna copy this and paste it. First, let us create some place to paste. Open. Yeah. Let's try to resize it, put it here, and this one, size it. Yes. So first you're gonna copy. How to copy? You can use right click and mouse center here. Right click and mouse center. That's first method to copy, like this. Press on left click, I think. Left click. This is left click. Scroll down. Then you copy like this. Let me show it like this. Then here you click on left click. This. I have two methods. These are the first method. Then right click like this. Then copy. That's the copy in first method. Then we have also second method. Second method to copy is shortcut like this. Then after selecting, you click on Control plus C. Control plus C. This. Then click like this. Copied. That's how to copy. Let me show you what we copied. That's one. See, you paste it. So this is how to copy. So the next is how to paste. So after we have copied something here like this, as I showed you, Control.C, that's copy. Then we will need to paste here on this new document. Let's say like that. You put mouse here. Then we have two methods also. First method, you click on right click, then you click on paste. Yeah, paste. That's first method. The second method is shortcut. In shortcut, we're gonna use Control plus V like this. Yeah, here and here. You see, we paste. That is the new method to paste. Put like this, then paste. That's shortcut. So you can also copy using shortcut. I think you know. And paste. You can also select all. This is how to select all. Let me say we have to select all here. You just click Control C plus A like this. All file is selected, so you can also copy it through Control plus C. This, then you copy. You can also paste using Control plus .x, Control plus V. Let's check that. Control plus X, then you paste. So you see. So that is it. You can also try many methods. You shall see shortcuts. We shall give you enough video to show you how to do it. So we have also cut. I don't know. Let us try to cut using two methods. As I showed you how to select all like that. So to cut, you put like this, then cut. See, cut, paste. Let me show also the shortcut to cut. Let me first select all, then we cut with Control plus X like this. Yeah, that's how to cut. After cut, you can paste Control plus C, Control plus V like this. Yeah, That's the variable shortcut you have to understand. Thank you for watching.